Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. And I try to solve the problems that you face with on digital world. So if you have any problems or questions, just write these problems and questions in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problems. And my channel is thriving now with your support. I really appreciate it. Thanks for that. And if you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now we can start. At first, what I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how can we just, repost on Instagram and introduce Instagram reposting by buffer. So in this video, I'll share exactly how to repost on Instagram. One of the best aspects of social media is being able to share something with your followers. On Twitter, you can retweet. On Facebook, there is the option to share a post. And on Instagram, you can repost, which is essentially a way to share a picture from another Instagram user with your followers. Though reposting isn't an official feature of Instagram's apps or website, it's something that many brands and users have been doing for a while now. And it's a tactic that has delivered great success too. And here at Buffer, reposting was a key factor in our growing our Instagram audience by over 60%. And learning how to repost on Instagram is the key to taking your marketing strategy on the photo sharing platform to the next level. And we'd love to help get you started. And just keep watching for advice and tips on the best ways to add reposting to your social strategy and the ideal workflows for doing it quickly and efficiently. So, first things first, before you repost with other social networks, reposting is a native feature that comes baked into the product experience and expectations. On Instagram, since this isn't a native part of the app, there needs to be additional step. Before you repost, it's best to request permission from the original poster so that you can repost their work. And actually that's really important because you have to just respect them by just asking for permission, because maybe they just created something new or they just talked about their own ideas or something original, and you can't just share it without letting them know or just showing that this is not your creation or this is not something that you did. So, and you should just show that it's from someone else. And there's a few ways to do this. For example, you can send the original poster a direct message on Instagram, or you can comment on their photo to start the conversation and connect via email to iron out the details and get explicit permission. I mean, if you just start the conversation and if you just show your enthusiasm to share this to so many people, I mean, probably they'll just understand and they'll just tell that, let you do that, let you share this post, or just, post this thing. And actually, at first, you need to find a photo you'd like to repost. Before reposting any content on Instagram, you should always reach out to the original share of the content and ask permission to repost. I have to just, emphasize this all the time because that's really important. The first step is to open up Instagram and find a photo you'd like to repost. Once you've located the photo, ensure you reach out to the original sharer and ask their permission to repost it to your account. Then, once you have permission, on iOS, tap on the icon that you just see there on the picture and tap the share option and then tap copy link. But for Android, you need to tap copy share URL, just like there on the picture. And the second step is to open Buffer's iOS or Android app. Next, you'll need to open up Buffer for iOS or Android on your phone. Once the app is open, it will recognize the Instagram link saved to your clipboard and ask if you'd like to repost that content to your own Instagram account. And edit the caption and schedule a reminder. Once you've tapped on the option to repost the Instagram post, Buffer will automatically pre-fill the caption field based on the caption from the original post and give credit to the image creator by adding their username and you can add in your own comment just like with any other post, and then select which profiles you want it to go to and schedule your reminder. And then post the photo. When it's time to post your image to Instagram, Buffer will send you a handy reminder and help you get the post published. I think that's really helpful for you because it just sends you a handy reminder just to post it on the right time. And since Instagram's API doesn't allow full scheduling and auto posting, Buffer for Instagram works using reminders and notifications on your phone. And set your desired time, and the Buffer app will send you a notification when it's time to post. And how can we repost on Instagram manually? Reposting has been around as a strategy on Instagram for quite some time, long before tools like Buffer for Instagram came around, and certain third-party apps allowed for particular repost functions, often including watermarks or @mention credits on the reposted photo. The absolute simplest way, though, was with a screen grab, a process that can still be replicated today. And here's how to manually repost photos in 4 easy steps. The first step is to screenshot a photo and find a photo you'd like to repost with your audience and take a screenshot of it. And then select the camera button on Instagram and upload your screenshot. Once you have your image saved to your camera roll, tap on the camera icon within Instagram and select your screenshot as you would any other image you wanted to share on Instagram. And then resize the image. Next, you'll want to resize your post so that only the image remains. You can do this using the resize functionality within Instagram, or if you'd like to crop before you upload the photo, this can also be done using your phone's camera roll editing functionality. And then add a caption. Be sure to credit the original share of the image within your caption and tag their account using their Instagram handle @buffer, for example. And yeah, just like that. It's really easy, right? You can just do it in a very short time. And yeah, that's it for now, and thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and we'll be a bigger community together. I'll talk to you all in another video very soon, and bye.